good video though.
Oh man, I got some killer video.
Holy
I'll
moly.
stick 'em.
Yeah, and he'll take that right off of your hand, out of your hand.
Thank you. Yeah, what do you think about that? Yeah, absolutely. Exciting?
Yeah.
We'll be watching that video when we get home, huh?
Wow, that was cool.